Welcome to anime storytime. This person called Disney of Birdie Best Friend. What's a wilderness Apollo, he was a friend to all. He wanted to help animals. He wanted to help people too. Watcher wanted to have a man named Carl. Carl did not need help. Carl was going on a trip. He was moving his house to the jungle. He used balloons to make the house float. Master was on the porch, the floating away too. The house flew through the a storm Russell helped steer the house. The house ready in the jungle. Russell helped put the house in the jungle. Russell met a bird. The bird was chocolate. The bird liked Russell too. She followed Russell everywhere. Russell and the bird became best friends. Soon they meet a dog named Doug was there to catch the bird. Doug followed her. Russell wanted to protect the bird. He added color for help. The bird family was far away. Russell wanted to get her home. But a man named Marcy wanted to the bird. Marcy, me, dog, chased the bird. Russell and Carl helped her escape. Marcy trapped Russell, Carl, and the bird. Marge took the bird. Russell was very sad. Russell wanted to help the bird. He went after her. Carl and Doug wanted to help too. Russell, Carl, and Doug saved the bird. They took her home. Russell really was a bird best friend. The end. Bye.